Hello everyone, welcome to the Cornea impression and say hello to the brand new Honda Pilot. The Honda Touring is designed for long distance driving and highway cruising. Just not for you, but with your friends, family or colleagues, whoever that may be. Now talking about looks, this car reminds me of it as being a bigger brother of the CR-V. And since it's bigger, that means it's broader and longer than the CR-V. Now the identifying features of the Honda Pilot from the front end are its two big headlights. Now these two dominate the front end, followed by this chrome bar running across the front end. Now if you look at the headlights, they are wrap around, so they go like a C. There's a portion in the front for the daytime running lights. These are the DRLs over here, and this is the main headlight cluster. So these headlight clusters are the main identifying features of the Honda Pilot front end. Again, looks to me like a CR-V or very similar to a CR-V. Let's talk about the sides. Now, tell me, what do you guys see? Do you guys see like a bigger brother of the CR-V? To me, it kind of does. But it's a big car. It's really a very big car. And big cars need big tires. So we have a 20-inch rim over here, 20-inch rims over here all around. This is a touring spec car. The touring spec car comes with an exterior chrome pack. So we have chrome over here, on the side mirrors, on the door handles, over here down, and running floorboards over here with chrome over here as well. So a lot of chrome and shiny stuff going on. I think people like chrome. Let's talk about the rear. This is the rear. As you can see, there's chrome here and then grey plastic. Very plain, nothing much to talk about. The exhausts are hidden way behind inside. Rear camera over here. It's got a power tailgate and a pretty spacious boot, which can become more spacious by a pull of a thread. 60-40 split or a complete split as well, giving you ample storage area and very easy to bring back up as well. Just pull back and you're good to go. The third row is active again. Time to talk about the interiors. Now, because this is a 7-seater, we have a third bench, which will be used pretty much only by small kids. Now, it's not a bad space to be in. I'm 5'8" and this is completely behind the second bench. So it's okay. I mean, I'm okay because I'm sitting here alone, but if there was somebody else next to me, I would find it definitely very tight. But for short distances, maybe for 45 minutes to an hour, it's okay. Mainly designed for kids. A cool way to go in the front, or easy way, is press the button over here and the front seats go, giving you space to get out. So you don't need somebody coming and letting you get out. This is a much easier way to do it. Let's talk about the crucial middle bench. Now this is definitely a comfortable place to be in. Slidable, adjustable, all of that. Plus, it has a ton of storage space. So you can store here, down here, on the sides. There's a storage area over here. And look at the size of the cup holders. This is a 500 ml bottle. It can hold 2 of these and can go much bigger. So if you have a liter bottle, you can actually put it over here. Passengers never get cool things, or very rarely get cool things as features. Now, the rear passengers in this car get their own heating and ventilating systems. So basically, heating and AC over here. They have their own USB charging at the back for all the devices. An HDMI cable point. Now, why is this over here? This is pretty cool. I'll show it to you why. And headphone jacks. All of this is connected to the rear entertainment system over here. So if you connect your headphones and play a movie, the rear passengers in the middle row can watch their own movie with their own headphones without disturbing everybody else. If you have your own gaming console like a PS5 or a PS4. You can connect it via HDMI over here and play your games while everybody else is driving, and wear your own headphones as well. So pretty cool. So a lot of stuff going on for the middle bench. Now this also can be adjusted. The volume on this can be adjusted. And there's another cool feature that you did not expect. I'll show it to you from the front. Let's go. Front end is where the driver spends the maximum time. Obviously, you have to drive the car. And this dash reminds me of a plane cockpit because there's so many buttons and gear levers going on over here. It takes a minute to get used to it. But seating position is nice and high up. You sit in a very commanding position, very comfortable with an all-round view with good visibility. It has a ton of storage. Storage here, wireless charging over here, storage on the doors as well. So a ton of storage everywhere. Now coming to this touchscreen, this is Honda standard touchscreen. It's been there on the Civic Touring as well. We've tested it over there and it's pretty easy to use, very functional, very simple. If your rear passengers are getting cranky and irritated, you can control the rear entertainment from here. This is the how much further animation. If you programmed your destination via the Honda navigation, a specialized animation will show up on the rear screen, letting the back passengers know how much further you are from your destination. Pretty much like that you see on aircraft. Now you can also control the rear apps. That means what's playing, what music is happening, etc. Or you can cabin talk to them. That means if they can't hear you from the front and you don't want to yell, you go here and then you speak to the people at the back because the mic is on, and you can choose whether you want to go to the headphones or you want to go to the car speakers. And then they can talk back to you. It's pretty cool, right? This is only a climate control unit, so you can control the front air conditioning and heating, control the rear air conditioning and heating. You have front heated and cooled seats. This dash is partially digital. 2 dials are an analog and the main display is digital. Now this gear lever is exactly like the Honda Civic, or either way, whichever one. So this is a quintessential Honda thing. It's got button operated. So P, R, N, D, sport mode, and this is your off-roading mode. You can go normal, snow, mud, sand just by push of a button. Now this car even comes with a Blu-ray disc player for the middle row. Imagine putting in a Blu-ray disc for your kids. Crazy. Let's talk performance of the Honda Pilot. It comes with a 3.5 litre V6 engine producing 280 horsepower and does 0 to 100 in 7.8 seconds. All of this is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive system. Depending on the trim level that you choose, you can even get a 2-wheel drive version. The V6 is very smooth, very potent and adequate enough for daily driving, especially for highway cruising. It does a brilliant job. It's nice, it's refined, not too intrusive and not noisy like its competitors. So the engine experience is brilliant, and I'll give Honda top marks for the smoothness of the drive from the engine. When it comes to handling, obviously this is a big SUV. It's long, tall and broad. You have a nice commanding position, but don't expect anything like a sports car. The handling is a bit detached, but is perfect for someone who's doing daily commutes of multiples of 100 kilometers. It's designed for comfort more than anything else, and comfort it gives you. Now, interestingly, this is a car that should filter out all the bumps, all the small undulations, but no, those can be felt. Not all the time, but at some point of time you can feel them. There is a bit of body roll as well, but overall the entire cruising capability of this car is brilliant. Steering is good, easy to control, easy to navigate. The Honda Pilot comes with Honda's brilliant suite of safety systems, the Honda Sensing System, and it's one of the best in the market. What this car lacks is a heads-up display system. For a car that's priced not very cheap but mid-market and has so many features, Honda can definitely add a heads-up display. The audio system is a 10-speaker system with a subwoofer, but I did not find the audio quality to be crisp or nice. It felt flat throughout. What impresses me most about this car is just not the features, just not the size, not the performance. It's the entire package. Now this car has got a good engine, it's got good interiors, it's got good features, it has a ton of space, looks decent, does a good job of cruising. So all in all, it does everything that it's designed to do. It does everything with ease. No fuss, no temper tantrums, reliable, easy to service, maintain, and all of it at an affordable price point. I'm surprised with the price of this car. Looking at how other cars are becoming more and more expensive, I think this is a lot of car for the money. This car is priced at 182,000 dirhams or roughly around $50,000, and I think that's a very competitive price to be at, with all these features and all the space and all the comfort this car provides. So Honda, brilliant job with the car. Looking forward to the next one, and see you guys for the next review. Take care. Bye. Until next time.